Hey guys, this is Vincent, and in this Lightroom Classic tutorial, I'm going to discuss non-destructive editing. Right now, I'm in the Lightroom Develop module, and what is exactly non-destructive editing? So non-destructive editing is when you apply certain edits or changes to the image, but it doesn't alter or change the original image file. So for example, I'm going to go to the basic panel here in Lightroom. I'm going to make the exposure darker, increase the shadows a little bit, and increase the highlights. So right now the image looks different than the original photo that I took with the camera. So what's happening in the background is this image right here, this DNG file that you see 9367, that's the original image file. And even though it's a raw file, this applies to JPEGs as well. Lightroom is not changing the original file if it's a DNG raw file, if it's a JPEG. What it's doing is it's applying like a filter or an overlay of the edits, and it saves that editing information in the Lightroom catalog. So if I was to go to this original image, regardless of if it's a raw file or a JPEG, it will not be altered. So the good thing about Lightroom is it's non-destructive, meaning you're not going to lose your original photos that you took. So even if I make more changes like the crop and so forth, let me see here, make a silly crop like that, Lightroom is not going to change the original crop of the photo you took. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.